Hello beautiful souls, welcome to Witty Creativity. So as we all know, Mother's Day is approaching. So today's video and the upcoming video will be all regarding Mother's Day DIY. Mother, what should I say about her? She enjoys overloading our plate with her lovely creative recipes. So let's make this Mother's Day very special with these lovely and creative cute Katori cupcakes. Serve her these mini cakes. I'm sure she would love it. So here I am using 2 katoris of vanilla premix. You can also go for traditional cake making process wherein you use all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder and all that things. Except this, you will need half cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of oil to add in this bowl. You can also add water if you want, or half water or half milk is also fine. Once you mix everything well, add 2 tablespoons of oil to obtain a perfect consistency. Don't overmix, just bring all ingredients together. Add water if needed to adjust the consistency. This is the correct consistency you will need. As we are making this cupcakes in katori, so I am greasing them with clarified butter. You can grease them with oil as well, and at the bottom I am putting some butter paper. So I am putting the batter till the middle of the katori so that when our cake rises up, it will come up to the mouth of the katori. If you want it something like bulging out, you can put up to 3/4 level. You can bake this in microwave oven or also on gas. Baking instructions are given in the description box. Make sure you check that out. By the time our cupcakes bake, I am preparing icing decoration. For that I have taken 1 cup of whipping cream. Beat it nicely with an electric beater. Initially beat it at a lower speed for 5 minutes. Later for 5 to 6 minutes beat it at higher speed to obtain these peaks. Once you obtain these pin-like peaks, our cream is ready. Now I am adding color to our icing cream: pink, lemon yellow and orange. So basically I'll be using combination of pink, orange, yellow and white color. I'll put all these colors in one piping bag together so that we obtain beautiful shades of colors all together. So as you can see, I have put the colorful icing cream one above the other in one piping bag. I'm going to use star nozzle and the leaf nozzle. So our mini cakes are baked really well. Let them cool down and then take it out. Before decorating our cakes, let's make the sole DIY of this recipe, the cake toppers. Here I am using the outer box of Cadbury Celebration as it has beautiful shades of colors: orange, blue, pink, yellow. Simply I have cut them into circles. As you can see, the circles should be of the same size. Next, with the help of acrylic colors, I'm going to write on it some short quotes like "Love you mom," "Happy Mother's Day," "Best mom in the world," and so on. You can also use permanent markers to write on the quotes. this circle, now I'm going to attach toothpick. You can also use ice cream stick or popsicle. I'm making use of sellotape to fix this. And yes, these are ready. Absolutely love these cake toppers. Now you can choose any side to do icing, either from the front side or at the back side, whatever way you prefer. You really don't need to be good in icing decoration. Even I have learned it recently. Just go for simple designs and they are going to look beautiful and your mother will be loving it. Since we have put in all the icing cream together, you can see beautiful shades of colors coming together. Use all your creativity to decorate these cupcakes in different ways. And if you are finding it difficult, you can also go for simple design like how you make jalebi. Just keep on doing round and round and round, and that will also look beautiful since we have used different shades of colors. All our cupcakes or Katori cakes are ready. Just put on some sprinkles. And the very important step now, insert the cake toppers slowly, containing beautiful coats for your mom. Isn't it looking beautiful? Then give this video a like. Also subscribe to our channel for more such creative videos. If you don't want to do the icing part, you can skip it and directly insert the cake toppers. They are going to look beautiful anyway. Not only on cake, you can use these toppers on various dessert sweets. Here is one more design, a simple one as I told earlier. Do comment me in the comment section which design you like the most. And if you try this DIY, share your pictures with me on my Instagram. I'll feature them in my next video. So make your mother feel special by serving her these mini cakes with toppers. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.